mushrooms before I say anything more, because I'll probably forget. There's lots and lots of mycelium. We're probably, when we finish doing the mushroom growing, we are going to start mushroom cooking. We're going to cook mushroom omelettes, all sorts of recipes with mushrooms in. So,
why are you cooking things with mushrooms in?
because it's Ethan does cooking mushrooms soon.
Is it not because Ethan loves the mushrooms?
Yeah, I do. That's why I chose to do mushrooms. Okay, I'll start spritzing. That was what I was going to say before I started looking at the mushrooms. If you wanted to know that. I accidentally sprayed my finger. Oh yeah, I forgot I could do this. It's enough. I'll see you later. Start spritzing them, you know, as usual. Got really bad aim this time. That's enough, or a little bit more. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Just putting the lid on. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.